I'm going to share a quick video here on how you can use psychology today to look for a psychiatric clinician that's a good fit for you. So even though psychology today is often used for therapists, they have actually a pretty nice feature for psychiatrists as well. So you go to the homepage, go to find a therapist, but instead of therapist, you're going to pick psychiatrist. Of note, psychiatrist typically refers to a medical doctor or a DO, but when they say psychiatrist, they mean psychiatric clinician. So you'll also see nurse practitioners and sometimes a physician assistant here. So you can put in your zip code, or you can, they have some quick cities here. I think zip code is better. So I'm going to put in a zip code here for me, Chapel Hill. And now it's going to pull up a bunch of different providers in my area, which is really nice. The other thing you can do is filter it down a little bit closer. So you can go to filters. Let's say I want to look at ADHD. I want a woman, and I want somebody that is in network with Blue Shield. I could click all of these filters and it's going to come up with, okay, these are the 6 people that meet my criteria. And as you see, there's a nurse practitioner, there's a physician assistant. So there's going to be a variety of different clinicians who can help you. And then if you keep going, there's some other people who are in the area. So I really recommend using this. And then if you want to get in touch with them, you can email them or call them. Ideally, maybe call like 3 of them and see if there's a way you can get a sense of their style, if it's a good fit for you, maybe with the 15-minute call. But if it's not, then maybe they'll have you come in for a full appointment. But if it's possible to do a couple people to interview, I find that that's often a good way to find somebody who's a good fit for you.